today we are going to explain grammar of Unit 6, but please watch the video till the end because we have 2 grammatical rules. Number 1, we are going to explain models of possibilities. Look at this table very carefully. We have 3 degrees of possibilities. We have sure not, sure, and not sure. What do I mean by this? I have a party and I decided to invite May, Mona, and Emma. When I decided to invite May, I was sure 100% she will not come. So, when you are sure not, this means you are sure 100% the action won't happen. When I decided to invite Mona, I was sure 100% she will come. So, I'm sure 100% the action will happen. But when you are not sure, it means that you are 50% sure the action might happen, the action might not happen. What are the models that we use to express sure not? For the present or the future, we use can't plus the verb in the infinitive. So I will invite May to the party. She can't come. For the present and the future of being sure, we use must plus the verb in the infinitive. So I will invite Mona to the party. She must come. For the present or the future of being not sure, we use might plus the verb in the infinitive. So I will invite Emma to the party. She might come. In the past, we use for sure not, can't, have plus the past participle. So I invited May to the party. She can't have come. In the past of being sure, we use must plus have plus the past participle. So I invited Mona to my party. She must have come. I'm sure. I was sure she would come to my party. For the past of being not sure, we use might plus have plus the verb in the past participle. So I invited Emma to my party. She might have come. Let's check your understanding. For this rule, choose the right answer. Number 1, that woman drives a very expensive car. She a lot of money. So here I am sure she must have a lot of money. Number 2, you a lot before you gave your speech. It was really great. So here I am sure, but in the past, so it must have practiced. Number 3, all my plants dead. I didn't forget to water them before I left for my holiday. So here I am sure that they did not die. So I'm sure not, so can't be. They be away for the weekend, but I'm not sure. So if you're not sure, we use might. Number 5, you be right, but I'm going to check anyway. So here I'm going to check. That means I'm not sure. So it's also might. 7, it be true about lions to live in the desert. So I'm sure that they don't live in the desert. So it can't be true. Number 8, she broke her mother's face. She sorry. This is in the past. I'm sure that she is sorry about what she did. So must have felt. Let's move to the second rule, which is very easy. You have studied this a lot, which is the passive voice. Look at this sentence. Cars make in Japan. So, make is wrong. Why is it wrong? Because cars can't make anything. They are made. Isn't that right? So, how can I correct verb make here? This sentence is in the passive form. How do I correct verbs in the passive form? Simply, we use verb to be in the tense of the sentence plus the verb in the past participle. What do I mean by the tense of the sentence? Because we have many tenses. If we are in the present or present simple, we use is or are plus the verb in the past participle. So cars are made. But if it is in the past, so I use was or were plus the verb in the past participle. So cars were made. If the sentence is in the present continuous, we use is or are being plus the verb in the past participle. So cars are being made. With the past continuous, we use was or were being. So where here in this sentence, cars were being made. In the present perfect, we use have or has been plus the verb in the past participle. So cars have been made in Japan. For the past perfect, had been plus the verb in the past participle. So cars had been made. Future, we use will be plus the past participle. So cars will be. If I have a model, any model, can, could, will, would, shall, should, may, must. So I use the same model plus be plus the past participle. So cars, you can say can, could, will, would, shall, or should plus the verb plus be plus the verb which is made in Japan. Study this table very carefully, please. Let's check your understanding. Number 1, 3 cats rescued by Julia yesterday. This one is in the passive form. So, and also in the past, we said that we use verb to be in the tense of the sentence plus the past participle. So it will be were rescued. Number 2, the poem read by Alex now. So its present continuous is being read. The car just repaired by the mechanic. So we have just, present perfect, so has just been repaired. Handball played by the pupils at the moment, present continuous, so is being played. Trees cut down for hardwood. It is present, so are cut down. If pandas threatened by enemies, they climb up a tree. This is if 0, and in the if 0 we have present, so threaten here is in the present, so are threatened. Sorry, sir, the report's not finished yet. So this is present perfect. It will be haven't been finished. I hope you understood today's rules. Thank you very much, my dear students.